Yo, yo, yo. Thanks for watching my channel, E-24G. And we have another thing I'm going to open up and show. It's straight from Japan. And here's the package right here. Not sponsored by FedEx, by the way, just in case. So about to open it up right now, actually. So here's what I have. This may give it away with the symbols on it. Nicely packaged. Shout out to Japan. And for the person I was able to get this from. Let's see what it is. I like to get these little gimmicky things, and oh, here's another one. Let's see what we have over here. Like I said, this thing was packaged perfect. Nothing more fun than opening up a package that may be a little bit complicated, but it's not. It's just packaged well with a lot of care, with a lot of love. Check out the other videos, E-24G exclamation point, pass the word on. This is one that's dedicated for any collectors of stuff, and you can kind of give it away with the face over here, the logo of what's about to happen over here. And let's see here. Very cool. I like this message. Message says here, thank you, Eric. May this item bring you happiness. I'm looking forward to contacting you again. Ryu. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Guys, please like, subscribe, check it out, and you know, these days, anything, the smallest things can bring anybody happiness, and that's the goal here. It's a little bubble wrap, extra protection on it. And some more bubble wrap here. 2 minutes into it, we're still doing this. I love it. Oh, there's another layer. This is awesome. This is what makes it worth it for the video. For people, anybody who's impatient, sorry. But again, though, a lot of love to the person who just packaged this thing up. They did it right. And you know what? I like it. I like the way it's packaged. There's a lot of care, a lot of thought into this. And let's see. All right, let's unfold this. Let's see here. Not unfold, but let's just, you know what I'm saying. Oh. All right, Starbucks. Nice. I like it already. Let's not spoil it already so quick. Here's the tag from Japan. Lots of love to Japan. And it has the logo. It looks like it's embossed and on the bottle. It's a metal bottle, limited edition, and it is a Fragment design bottle. As you see here, limited edition bottle. Let's open it up. I like this. Container over here. Is there anything else to this? I'm trying to see if this does anything else to it. Yeah. There's an extra cap over here with instructions inside. Let's take out the instructions. Love this logo on it. And then you have the lightning from Fragment. And you have the Fragment mist over here. All right, let's see the instructions. Instruction shows the twist cap. Open it up. And then the other, looks like a filter on here for the drink. Looks like instructions. Well, of course, they're instructions. This is what it is. It's all in something different. You don't see this over here. I wish they had stuff like this over here. We can actually have it available. Let's make sure I do this right. I like it. It's a nice little addition to the collection. It's a nice bottle. Along with that, now you know what? I might as well just start doing some bottle opening, bottle unboxing, and showing off what I have also in addition to this. Might as well get this thing going. Would I say it's a bottle collection? I'm not sure. I mean, it's not even close to the size of the Supreme bottle. Because I have the Supreme bottle over here too from Sigg. Check it out. This one, definitely a lot more heavy duty. Almost, you know, like your own cup over here. You have the Sigg logo. Don't want to do it upside down. Open that up. Inside, hot and cold beverage, I believe it handles. And this is a tight thing. This thing, you seal this tight. There's nothing that's gonna be coming out of this one. I love the color on it. Supreme logo on it. From Sigg. And underneath it, it shows Sigg, do not microwave. Made in China, BPA free. Patent pending. 25 ounces. You can handle as far as liquid is concerned. And yeah, adding to the little collection. This is gonna be more like the Fragment one. I'm gonna use it. I'm not gonna just have it sit there. This one, the Supreme one, I've had sit here for a while. I haven't used it. This is gonna be more like a collector piece, I think. Solid, but this one over here, this is, might want to get more of these actually. These are pretty cool. I'll say these are pretty cool. And I mean, there's not much, you know. Just love the logo over here. It's definitely not printed on its part. It's on the actual Starbucks logo. Love it. And it did make me happy. Thanks. Yeah. As far as that, I hope you guys liked the review. Well, it's not much of a review actually. It's just mostly showing the bottle and seeing what it is in case anybody's looking or is in the market. I try to do videos of things that you don't really see. There's a lot of hype around a lot of things out there. And I just get things that I really can see myself enjoying or having. And again, it's, you know, part of a collection that I have. And again, thanks for watching as always. Supreme Starbucks Fragment, Japan exclusive. Anything else, guys, you know, suggestions of videos, I'll see what I can get, see what I can do. I have some other videos saved that I have scheduled to come out, so please check them out. If not, check out the rest of the channel. I put variety of different things, so you know, always welcome to watch. Definitely subscribe. It's not that difficult to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button. Motivate me to do more videos, and I appreciate it. For everybody who watches, thank you so much. Always dedicate to subscribers, to watchers, anybody who watches this. Thanks a lot. And hope you guys enjoy this quick video. See ya.